What is struct? Struct is a composite type of data structure that helps to group multiple type of the variables under one name. So here we can see we have taken a struct and we have taken two variables. One is of a string type, one is an integer type. And we are grouping these two variables under one type, under one variable, that is person. So in this way, in Go language, struct helps to create one type by combining the multiple type of the variables. You can understand the struct in the same way as we have seen classes in other languages. In classes, we can declare the methods as well as the fields. In structs, we can define the fields only. Let's create a variable with the type of person. The name of the variable I am taking is student. Here I am saying this is a type person, and here we have two fields. One is name. Name I am giving John, and another field we have age, that is of integer type, and student, and age I am giving 34. Let's print this variable here. Run the code. So here we can see that person type variable student is this. Now suppose you want to access these field explicitly. How can you access this? So let's print name first. We will refer this particular variable name student dot name, and similarly we will print age as well. So age is student dot age. So here we can get that name is John and age is 34. In this way we can create a struct. Here you can define any number of the variables of any type. It will create a single type by combining all these variable types. Here we can see that person is a type now. Now with this person type we have created another variable named student, and in this way we can access all the fields of this student variable. In the similar way you can create another variable, let's say student2, name we can keep as Andreas, age we can give 67, and in the similar way we can print this value as well. So here we have another variable. In general, in Go language you can use the struct to store the information efficiently. You can define any struct within struct. You can attach the methods with structs. You can use the anonymous field within struct as well. So for all these you can use the struct. Let's take in another struct, subjects. The type is structs here. Here we can mention history. It is of type string. Then we can say English. It is also type string. Another subject I can take as mathematics. It is also type string. Now I have taken a type subject here. Let's give a variable, let's give a field name with subject that is of type subjects only. So in this way we have declared subject struct within a person struct. Now how will we declare it? Here I have given person type where the name is John, age is 34, and the subject is, as this is another struct, where I will give history. Yes, this particular student has this subject. Similarly, for English, I'm saying no, and for mathematics, I'm saying yes. And similarly, we can define in another struct as well. For some we can keep no, for some we can keep yes. We have to give the type here as well, that what value we are going to explain. Now here we can say that age is 34, name is John, and for all the subjects we are getting the value, what is yes, no, yes values we have given here. So in this way we can define struct within another struct. Now another use case we saw that we can attach the structs within the function. Let's take a function here, function to struct func, and here we are going to attach a type person. Let's say student here, and the name of the function is details. Within this function I'm going to print the value, and we will say that within function name of student is. How will we access this? Student dot name. So in this way we can attach structs to function. Let's call this function here. The variable we are going to attach is student dot details. So in this way we can call the function. Here in output we are getting within function name of the student is John. Why we are getting John? Because we are calling the function with this variable. If we will call through this variable, then it will give the name as Andreas. So in this way we can attach the structs in methods as well. The another use case we have discussed here is use anonymous fields within a struct. So how can we declare the anonymous field? Here when declaring structs within a struct, we have given the name subjects. This is the name of the variable, name of the field, and this is the type we have defined. Here I can write it as this as well, subjects. Now what does it mean? That it is going to inherit the values from this struct only. In this way we can say that subject is an anonymous field, where we are not declaring any name of the field, but the type will itself considered as the name of the field here. In this way we can use the anonymous field here. So in this way we can create structs in Go language. We can define various type of the variables under one name, under one type, and we can use that type further in our Go program. We can use structs within a struct as well. We can attach the methods with the structs, as well as we can define the anonymous fields within the struct as well. This is Golang official standard library for structs we have, and here you can get various functions that supports struct. You can get all the fields by using this function. You can get the values. You can fill it with zeros, and the various functionalities you can check it here. That's all for today. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to leave them in comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.